Jasper, my friend, I wanted to let you know that I read your ebook. It's fantastic. Like, almost my first thoughts, you give too much value. It's really good. Your blue belt mentality, the kind of your play off the white belt, I really thought that was good. Kind of connecting it to a message that you're more familiar with in your type of martial arts, and connecting with the entrepreneurs. You kind of talked about creating space a little bit. There was I had my whole list in my head of the things I wanted to talk. Obviously, touch on a few Robin things that I'm always a big fan of. The very last video, the Trello, I started. I've got some things. I want to watch that video of your employee, or is he a relative? I noticed. Anyway, I want to work on Trello quite a bit, and so I'm excited to watch that. I was about to watch it, but I kind of have my evening plans, so I almost dove into that. Thanks for the link. I saw that. Thank you very much. Appreciate the shout out. No, but what we're saying, I really liked your financial tips. Really liked your financial tips, the 5 there. Can't grow debt and wealth at the same time, and a few other things there that I thought were about growing organically versus raising capital. I thought that was a great point. There was quite a few things in there that I was like, okay, this is. So I just want to let you know, man, you're on the right path. Your video transitions and all that stuff. It's all really coming along, man. Really pretty impressed. So keep at it. I really, quite literally this Trello thing, I got to carve out an hour to watch this, take notes, and I might have a list of, maybe you can connect me with, Darren, I think. I'm going to, watch and make a bunch of questions. So, anyway, you're providing value. You're providing service, man. Keep at it. All right. Hope you're well. And speaking of well, I hope Louise is well. I hope I said Louise. I believe it's Louise. It's been so long. Gosh, that just kind of the kick to the face, man. I just still can't. Is she doing well? How is she healing? All the best, my friend. Hope you're well.